To create a rapid slide transition, first place your clips consecutively on the timeline. Select all clips, right-click, and choose Speed, Duration, and check Length. Set the duration to 20 frames with Ripple Edit enabled, and click OK. All clips will now be 20 frames long. Click on the first clip, go to Effects and apply the transform effect. Then, apply the directional blur effect. Move 5 frames forward using Shift plus right arrow. Open Effect Controls in the Transform effect, and check Use Composition Shutter Angle and set the shutter angle to 360. Add keyframes for position and blur length. Move the playhead back to the start. Change the clip's position to move it completely off screen. Set the blur length to 50. Now, copy both the transform and directional blur effects from this first clip. Select all the other clips and paste the attributes onto them. Finally, to create the staggered effect, move 5 frames forward. Select the next group of clips and drag them to a new track. Repeat this process, moving 5 frames and lifting the next set of clips each time until the end.